Intermediate 3.9 Classwork. In this activity, you will harness the power of dictionaries in Python to solve various problems using already created dictionaries. Here's what you'll be doing. 1. Accessing values. You will learn how to retrieve values from a dictionary using keys. You'll see how to access specific data, such as building heights or user IDs. 2. Safely retrieving values. You will explore the get method, which allows you to safely attempt to retrieve values and return a default value if the key doesn't exist. 3. Deleting keys. You will practice removing key-value pairs from a dictionary using the ipop method, which can return a value while simultaneously deleting the corresponding pair. 4. Getting all keys. You'll learn how to retrieve and iterate through all the keys in a dictionary, aiding in situations where you want to work with just the identifiers. 5. Getting all values. You will explore how to access and iterate through all the values stored in a dictionary, useful for understanding the data contained within. 6. Combining keys and values. You will learn how to retrieve both keys and values at once using the items method and how to handle them using loops. 7. Completing exercises. Throughout the activity, you will perform specific tasks to reinforce your understanding, including accessing elements, using methods to retrieve keys and values, and iterating through data. By the end of this session, you will have a deeper understanding of how to manipulate dictionaries to retrieve, remove, and iterate through data efficiently. Enjoy discovering the versatility of dictionaries.